Welcome to this DelftStack tutorial video. In today's tutorial, I'll show you how to download Street Dancer movie in Chrome. Not exactly download, but I will definitely show you how to watch it for free online, as Chrome doesn't provide any built-in option to download movies from website unless the site legally offers a download button. If a streaming platform has a download feature, you will see an official download button inside the website or app. Click it to save the movie for offline viewing, if supported now. I'll show you another workaround where you can watch the movie for free. Go to this website called blibly.com and search for the movie there. And you can easily view it online, but you cannot download it from here. Chrome itself cannot download copyrighted movies unless the source legally permits it. Thanks for watching, and don't forget to check out the next DelftStack tutorial video.